ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Weu Pulit home guard ia bala kena bode wajumli bangkan Kynshleiñ ba Jrong ti ki Khynnah Skul ki ba Pulit ha ko bi Skul kebenan hanong ba Shillong ba leru ki kam mas ngusat met ban ngam mentaka kenti ulang Ngat ha ka Shrip ki kat tu kat ni pa Jrong ki Khynnah Skul ki bala bod din bahai u la kam ba kat tu kat ni si ba din bala yo bat yo klei ban IT no Syaki Pulit jang ka sadar police station ban le kebenan kam Kakum gajing atho we urang ba ubade ku pa jing we Khynnah Skul bala sha Jrong ti ula ong bo ni ubriu udi ba jumlien ba ban shongkai ha ki mau kendon kibira markhab ba ko we Skul ringkat gadi kya saho wat ha ka por min sngi min shairu tang shu jing tip ya kan gajing jaw ku pa ringkat bagi parlok kila ap Shrip nadu ka si tho ding jang ateo bala dem kliyo ban bat ya uni ubriu hadu ka khandai tri ku nai tung ara jar phusau ha ka por ku malai ba je tam ai
Kalau kami hafal ba kali praktis kakon nga, te kai thu kakon nga ba kawanang papa dan wibrio ba umulya kama korai klit kiskat into, tengah nga tahu nyali pej mah, tengah liwat man sini thau dia ngi khamlap tengah kli ba kakon jayu tu, bar kawai ru umri tengah kakon nga, kalau kawai kena ru perlok jong kakon nga hi, yakta ru shit iway, tapi kakon nga khat baby high babe same tu. Tumur klik skar itu, tinggal lay up itu, temen yang yobat itu, dalam kecing yobat itu, ngiwana nasi siapa, sadar police station bin. Kawan, kene sini kong. Kemudian jemput nanga, bang keli ngan teh po Skul or keli kaya yang ba uni brio ulang maniak ba, udi kiat kajian ki Khynnah Skul, berkawai Kynshleiñ ba, ya ki Khynnah, layak man ba ya ki kentai upet, man ba ya ki Khynnah Skul kan Kynshleiñ, te kibun ki ba ong hi ba awat uni brio ki melap, handai mentabat ba kawai itu kakon nga. Ngilap iwana bisnis sadar. Oh, udi ba uya wel ting adang ka video jong ubo udi kian, adang ka video ro jong. Uyang antoi udi biar udi kian antoi. Ngata ka message jong ong ya koi kikmik pa gi ban page ba gi student la jong, al ki di bandan ba hanto bal koi ngalong ki mana ba komuni jai breu phimdei ban aili. Ada hishan khaman ulong kumno bad yu thab yu lane ra police station. Umdei ba fisya sabjar. Kam tamba kito badan kun kan thai ki di ban page ba gi kon. Ama ki kun kan them da ki yach nestai hapet bahaya kiro. Tang long kawai bat sakawai ro, long kikmik paro kiri bentek care ba nam tak kikon jong. Mdei ban ai lat thana kikon ro, bat mdei tang kan thai kishin tang ro kumju hi. Ang hapet bah hap kalai kawan jongki, tas nombok ba kakon nga kalai tu ba jasi kala ja alsian ba ule amne. Tas sisian ka ongkon nga adi bri ba ba thai. Ule aku man acting yo thiam jo. Hapol bayat. Then next day ule yang kumju hi. Takai tu nga ngaliwat mlapra, temeneng lai ab into ramasnyo yo wala snigen.
He called me and told me that this had happened near this school. So I just came here. So they told me to come to police station directly because my daughter is along with her, so she can give a statement. That's all. Yeah, I had first time because if I had been hurt previously, so we could have done good things like we can take care of them, no? And so I just wanted to say that nowadays it's not safe for our daughter and children, anybody, no? So let's take a place that we should take care of all children, no? Not for us only. Others when they also should they should listen. They should listen their daughter, their word, no? What they are saying. If they are having any problem, you just whatever they used to say, no, they have to listen. That's all. Because as a parents we have to guide them and they are dependent on us. Okay, so if you will ignore their anything, like whatever they say, it can harm them in future.